Today we have this cool fresh 125 build, so let's see if my 125 addiction is real. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. It's a little bit chilly, I had to put on this jacket and I already have warm-up moto done on this bike, so it's a little bit dirty. So this is 2019 125 SX that was built by Jay Clark from Dirt Bike TV. Tom Morgan ported the cylinder, got brand new Vertex piston there, full FMF system, fatty and Shorty Silencer. We got new tires from Dunlop and also new wheels from SRT Racing. Factory connection, did the suspension on this thing, and it's a beautiful cover seat, seat cover from Moto Seat, nice gripper, and UFO plastic, all white. Even down here, everything is white. Shorty Silencer here, so all this, and then decal MX topped everything off, and I think these colors, black, red, white, I think it just looks incredible. Let's jump on this thing, see how it does on the track. Let's go out here. Inside here. So is my two-stroke 125 addiction real? I'm afraid to say, yeah. Man, these things, These things 125 two-stroke are so addictive. Like really, if you get it right, I'm not saying I got it right, but maybe a few turns when I got it right and I was in the right gear, the right RPM, that thing scream and pull, and man, this thing is fast. If you know how to ride it, this thing is fast. Just an amazing package, you know, with the TMR engine, pulls harder than my 125X, the YZ125X that I have now in the garage. Pulls harder, further. I like the power band, and suspension is great, you know, like factory connection did it. I was hitting some jumps and flying way beyond the landing, and it just did so good. So guys, having 125 two-stroke in the garage, I think it's a bike that probably everybody should have. If you ride motocross, if you go on the wet track, man, you can have so much fun. Really, I don't think I have this much fun on a bike. If I'm on a four-stroke, it's easier to ride. Of course, I have a lot of fun on four-stroke too, but on these two-stroke, especially 125, you really need to be correct, right? And then if you are correct, then you get this reward. When you hit the jump, the turn, when you make it the way you're supposed to do it, on this bike, it just feels amazing. It feels so much better than being on some other bike. So, man, I think I should get 125. I'm not saying that this probably wouldn't be my main bike, because I still want to learn and get better, and I would probably be afraid to hit the main track on this bike, because if I miss the gear, or you know, I don't clutch it correctly or something, like even on this wet track, sometimes I did a mistake and I was coming short on a jump, and this track is forgiving. I can ride back like this. But if I go on a main track, on a big track where I really have to be always right, I cannot just be short and case some doubles, because it happened to me 2 months ago and my foot is still hurting. So on this bike probably I wouldn't go and learn the new big tracks. I'm not that good. But having it on a track that I know well, on this wet track that I ride all the time, this thing is so much fun. So definitely in the future I will consider getting 125 and have it in the garage, and you know, bring it out once a month to have this joyride and just keep it wide open and just have fun. Guys, it's really fun, this 125. So great job, Jay Clark. This build is amazing. Bike runs so good. I had blast, so much blast. Alright, my friends, let me know below in the comments what you think about this bike, about how it sounds. I know sometimes I wasn't in a correct gear. Sometimes I was maybe not shifting soon enough or shifting too late. Well, I'm still learning, so forgive me there, but having a lot of fun on this bike. Alright guys, well, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.